Alright, I'm gonna teach you how to open up this reel right here. My first time, I took forever on figuring out just opening it up, completely. Googled it, YouTube it, did a little bit of everything. Took me a while till I got it down. First one to do is just loosen up the star drag. Grab a little Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew the handle. I cleaned this reel already. It's for a customer. I had one exactly like this. Before I return it back to him, I just want to make this video. Alright. I'm gonna be careful with these screws. The handle tend to strip. $10mm socket. When it comes to left-hand reels, you gotta turn right to loosen it up. Always want to put pressure on the star drag because there's a spring right under it. But just put it in order the way you take it out. That spring right there is what's compressing that star drag, making it move up. Loosen up all these. This bearing right here, pop it right out. Put it to the side. Open up the side plate. Swing it open. Take out the spool. Just little C-clips right there. You would have to take that off if you want to take off the side plate. Just pop out that little C-clip right there. To take this reel apart, I probably won't take out the side plate, but take this reel apart, you gotta make sure you gotta take off this screw right here. Put it to the side. There's two little screws. One right there, one right there. These tend to strip really easily. So when you unscrew it, put a lot of pressure on it, and it just twists it. Twist it left. There you go. Small little tiny screw. Let's do it to the other screw. Screw number 2. And there's a screw right behind this bar right here. You're gonna need one of the longer screwdriver. Stick it through this hole right here. No, I'm gonna take off this. grab a flathead screwdriver and just pop the E-clip out. These E-clips, they're tiny, they'll fly everywhere. Make sure you cover it up so it won't fly. Sorry, my phone's not focusing, but yeah, that's the little clip right there. Let's move it to the side. Once you move that clip right there, you can pull out the side plate. Me, I just like to put these parts back on so I know exactly which way it goes on. Right. Now it'll be easier to get that pin, to get that screw. The screw's right there. Stick it into this top hole. And then just put pressure on it and twist. Turn left, lefty loosey. The only thing that doesn't go lefty loosey is the nut that holds the handle. There's that screw right there. Just leave it there. Grab a Phillips screwdriver again. Then you take out those 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. Third screw. And then the reel could start coming apart. Lift the top up. Pull out the front. And then the left side plate. That's it. That's how you take it apart. Then you can do your basic reel clean or whatever, But yeah, that's it. Putting it back together, you just do, everything the other way. But that's how you take this reel apart. It's an older model reel. It's a little bit on the heavy side, but it's a solid reel. All right, guys. Hopefully that helped you out with this reel. I'll be doing more videos of me opening up reels and cleaning them. This one I just want to show you how to open it up because I know there's not a lot of videos on YouTube showing you how to take this reel completely apart. But that's basically how it is. All right, guys. You guys have a good one and tight lines.